Hello, Dr. Danger Masset here, and today I'm going to be quickly telling you how self-inflating mattresses work. This one is a Vango Shangri-La 2 and it's a 15 double. So first of all, you take it out of its bag, which is rather massive. You put the mattress on whichever surface you'd like to sleep on, and then the most important things you need to know are the valve configurations. The instructions here: flip to inflate and deflate. They just mean flip the valve, they don't mean flip the mattress. The valve has two settings. It has this one here, which looks like a little jet engine, and if you push it, it twists, and then we've got a flat yellow disc. Now these form two functions. If you want to inflate the bed, this valve setting will allow air in to the mattress, but not out. If you flip it around to this setting, it will allow air out, but not in. This mattress is inflating, so I want to leave it set at that. It's a double mattress, so this should, in theory, take about 5 minutes. When they're new, they take longer, so bear that in mind. On the double bed, there are two valves, one on each side, so make sure when you're inflating they're both set to this setting here. If the bed hasn't inflated, so it's hard enough for you, you can inflate manually. Now I've got a pump here, which is just a standard, basically airbed pump, and you literally, it doesn't fit, just put it against it, like that, turn it on, and you can see the bed lifting, like that. Apparently, if you want to self-inflate further as well and you don't have a pump, you can also do this with your mouth. It'll just take a little bit longer. That's firm enough to sleep on. So I leave the valve like that with the little jet engine. Cover it up with these. Same on the other side. And you're good to go. When it comes to deflating the mattress, you undo the cap, you turn the valve round. This is what you select when you want to roll it up and put it back in the bag. In case you're interested in how this works with no pump, how the air gets in, what happens is that there's foam in here which has been compressed, and when it's compressed like that, it's got no air in it. And once you release that compression, the foam expanding will suck the air into the mattress, and thus it will inflate, and that's how it works. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, can you do the usual liking, subscribing, etc. Or you can even buy me a coffee by pressing the thanks button. Take care now.